same, so there are no differences as far as this structure is. It is exactly same structure as it was here. But you need to look for some differences, so they are showing you here the dorsal ganglion. Okay, that's what is very, very clear. So it will be here dorsal ganglion. So here it will be dorsal ganglion. That's one difference. So for this matter, it means this one is dorsal root. This one will be ventral root.
What?
So this thin one, they are labeling it number 77, I think. Or,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah,
17, I think. They are labeling ones as like 7.
like 7.
So this one is 17. 17 will be your ventral root. 18 is your dorsal root.
Yeah.
And this is dorsal ganglion. This is where they join, and only this part is spinal nerve.
Spinal nerve. Okay.
So spinal nerve is only this part where our pointer is. So this is where it's branching. So this will be your ventral branch or ramus. This will be your dorsal branch or ramus. That's what we have.
Are you going to ask us veins?
No,
or something?
I don't
Blood
need to.
vessels?
No
Okay.
veins, no blood vessels.
Okay.
They call this vertebral artery. It is passing through the transverse foramina. It supplies blood to the brain, but you will be doing it in anatomy 32 if you go there.
Okay.
And this is where they are showing you the meninges, but I will not be asking you to name them separately. So we will be good. If you can label these 3 horns in it, you can label this fissure or sulcus. If you can label the commissure, the central canal, and the 2 roots, and dorsal and ventral, and the ganglion, and the 2 branches, ventral and dorsal, you will be good.
Are you going to ask about the white horns and things like that?
So white part, we call them funiculi, that's what we call them, or you can call them columns. So if they are on this side, so we are calling them posterior. This will be anterior, not posterior.
Yeah.
Anterior or ventral funiculi, this will be your dorsal funiculi. So just like the horn, they have same names. So this is the dorsal funiculus, lateral
in
funiculus.
The book calls them column.
Funiculus is singular, funiculi is plural. You can use either word. I will accept it.
In the book, it's using column. So can we use column? White
you
column?
can use columns also.
Yeah.
You can use column. So
Column
in
is so much
column, they
easier.
will be using a